Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon, my dear children. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, fine, fine. It's going
Fine,
well.
ma'am.
Okay, dear children, today we are starting a new lesson from geography. So far we discussed chapter number 1, the Earth in the solar system. Okay, today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. Globe, latitudes and longitudes. So this is our next chapter from geography. Lesson number 2, globe, latitudes and longitudes. So here there are 3 words. The first one is globe, next one is latitude, and the third one is longitude. So you have to study about the meaning and the features of these 3. So the first one is globe, second one is latitude, and the third one is longitudes. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, shall we start then?
Yes, ma'am. We can start, ma'am.
Okay, we can start. Okay. Children, Christo, where do you live? Where do you live?
India.
Where do you live?
India.
Why? No answer from Christo. Tell me, Christo, where do you live?
Ma'am, Earth.
Oh.
We live on Earth.
On the earth.
I'm in Earth.
Yes, yes,
in the
we
earth.
live on the earth. Then, Anusri, what is the shape of the earth?
Ma'am, geoid.
Geoid. Okay, what's the meaning of geoid, Edwin?
It's a round shape.
Round shape?
Ma'am,
No.
spherical shape.
Spherical, not spherical,
Spherical
spherical,
shape.
not spherical. Okay, then.
Sphere. Oblate sphere.
Okay, children.
Sphere.
Let me say. We know that the shape of the earth is not sphere. It is geoid. So the shape of the earth is
Yes, ma'am.
geoid.
Geoid.
Geoid means flattened at the poles, and bulges
Wide.
in the middle. So the shape of the earth is geoid. We know that our earth is not sphere and it is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges in the middle. If you look at the picture, you can understand that the shape of the earth is geoid and it is flattened at the poles. What are the poles?
Flat.
What are the poles? North Pole and South Pole. Okay.
North
It
Pole
is
and
flattened at the pole and bulges in the middle. So this shape is known as geoid. So what is the shape of the earth?
Geoid.
Okay.
I'm like orange, right?
Ah, yes, yes.
It is
Orange.
geoid.
Geoid. Then what is this? What is this?
Globe.
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 What is a globe? Angelina Relix.
Yes, ma'am.
What is a globe?
Globe is that shows the earth like.
What is a globe?
It's a copy of like artificial map like that.
Artificial.
Model of the earth.
Ma'am,
the
it is a
small
model
model
of
of
the earth.
You know, need to think more, okay? What is a globe? Globe is the small
Model of the earth.
True model of the
globe
earth.
is the small model of the earth.
The
Otherwise, we can say
that
that
shows the
small
earth
is
shape.
the miniature model of the earth. Otherwise, we can say
Ma'am, we can note it, ma'am.
Model of.
yes.
Ma'am, should we note it? Can we note?
It's a true
Yes,
model.
yes, of course.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, miniature model of the earth. Miniature model of the earth. We can say the earth is the replica of the, the globe is the replica of the earth. Otherwise we can say the globe is the three-dimensional model of the earth. So what is a globe? Devak Menon, what is a globe?
Can I tell? Don't move the book.
What are you doing there?
Right.
Sit properly in the class, okay? So a globe is the true model of the earth that shows the earth shape, land, oceans, distance, and directions as they related to one another truly. So the globe is very useful to us because we can locate
Yes.
different places.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? We can locate different places. We can locate America, we can locate Europe, or we can locate Canada, or you can locate Japan, you can locate Singapore, you can locate different places on the globe. Okay, it shows the exact size and shape of the oceans and the continents. It shows the exact size and shape of the continents. Krishna, how many continents are there?
Yes, ma'am.
7.
Seven. What are they?
continents.
Aditi, sure? Aditi, what are the 7 continents?
Ma'am, Felix,
Ah, yes, Felix. You can tell me.
North America,
North America,
South America,
South America,
Europe,
Europe,
Africa,
Africa,
Asia,
Asia,
Antarctica,
Antarctica,
Australian
and
Oceania.
Australia. So these are the 7 continents in the world. Okay, then Vaiga, how many oceans are there and what are they?
Ma'am, Pacific Ocean,
Pacific Ocean,
Atlantic Ocean,
Atlantic Ocean,
Antarctic Ocean,
Antarctic Ocean,
Arctic Ocean,
Arctic Ocean,
Ocean.
and Indian
Indian
Ocean.
Ocean.
Okay. So we can locate various places on the globe. Yes or no? And we can understand
Excuse
the
me,
exact
ma'am.
size and shape
Excuse
of
me,
the
ma'am.
continents. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you let me in? I'm joining in other device.
Oh, yes, sure. The globes are of varying sizes and types. The globes are of varying sizes and types. Big ones are there. Small pocket globes are there. Big ones are very difficult to carry and the small one is easy to carry. So there are different types of globes. Okay, some globes are very easy to carry, but some of them are very difficult. Globe can be rotated in the same way as the top spin. Have you seen a top?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did you see how it
North Pole
spin?
and South Pole.
Did you see how it spin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, likewise, the globe can also be rotated. Likewise, the globe can be rotated. So these are the 3 points about globe. The globe is the true model of the earth that shows the earth's shape, lands, oceans, distance, and directions as they relate to one another. Ananda, what are the 4 main directions? What are the 4 main directions?
Ma'am,
Yes.
north,
North,
Ma'am, can you show the board again?
east,
north,
Ma'am, can you
east,
show,
west,
show the board?
please.
south.
south. So these
Ma'am,
are
can you
the
show the
4
board,
main directions.
Ma'am.
Then
NEW.
Can you show the board?
Ma'am, can you
Ma'am,
show the
can you
board?
show the board?
there are
Thank you,
4
ma'am.
main directions. Along with main direction, there are 4 sub-directions. Okay. What are the 4 sub-directions?
South.
South, north, south, east,
News.
west.
News.
News, NEWS.
These are the main direction. That means north, north,
South.
south,
West. East.
west, and east. So these are the 4 main directions. There are 4 more
Write
directions.
it down. You have written S.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
East. Okay. What are the 4 sub-directions?
ma'am, I don't know.
Northwest, northeast,
Yes, ma'am. East, west.
southwest, southeast.
Southeast.
So these are the 4 sub-directions or intermediate directions. Okay. Children, can you follow me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, finish, ma'am. You can change the
Okay,
board.
okay.
Ma'am, 1 minute, one more step.
Okay, okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
I'm
Wait,
finished.
Someone
wait,
want
wait.
to write
Let me
this,
fix
ma'am.
in one place. Wait. Okay.
1 minute, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you show the first slide?
Okay.
This slide, it was written chapter 2, globe and latitude and longitude.
Okay. The name of the chapter is
Globe, latitudes, and longitude.
Children. Wait just a minute. Okay. The name of the chapter is
No.
the latitude, globe, latitudes, and longitudes. Then first we are discussing about okay, the globe. The globe is the true model of the earth and it shows the earth shape, land, ocean, distance, and directions as they are related to one another truly. Globes are of varying sizes and types. Globes can be rotated in the same way as the top spins. Okay, now we are going to discuss about what are the advantages of the globe. What are the advantages of the globe? See the first point,
Advent.
Shows
advantages.
It shows the exact shape of
Okay,
the earth.
it shows the exact shape of the earth.
Ma'am, we can note it, ma'am.
Ah, yes, yes. Because these points are there
Ma'am, we can note it.
not in the textbook, so you have to note it down. Okay. It shows the exact shape of the earth. So we know that the globe is the model of the earth.
Exact.
It shows the exact shape of the earth. It helps us to understand how day and night occur and seasons are occurred. So with the help of the globe, it is easy to study about the motions of the earth, or it is easy to study about the movements of the earth. There are two movements of the earth. What are they, Pranav?
Rotation and revolution.
Rotation and revolution. Okay. Rotation of the earth causes
day and night.
day and night. Revolution of the earth causes
Year.
seasons. So with the help of the globe, it is easy to study the motions of the earth or the movements of the earth. They are rotation and revolution. So rotation causes day and night and revolution causes seasons. Srihari? Srihari, are you there? Daniel Melvin?
Yes, ma'am.
What are the main seasons? Or how many seasons are there?
Ma'am,
And what are
four.
they?
Ma'am, four.
Four. What are the four?
Summer, winter,
Summer, winter,
autumn,
autumn,
spring.
spring. Okay. So with the help of the globe, it is easy to study the rotation and revolution of the earth. It gives the idea of tilt of the earth axis. It gives the idea of the tilt of the earth axis. Tilt, earth axis. It gives the ideas of tilt of the earth axis. Okay. It gives the ideas of the tilt of the earth axis. All of you look at the board again. Axis. What is an axis? Axis is the imaginary line passing through the center of the
Axis is
earth
the imaginary.
and joining the 2 points. So what is an axis, Fia Maria?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is an axis?
Axis is the imaginary line passing through the center of the earth and joining the 2 points.
And joining the 2 points.
2
Okay.
points.
So axis, all of you look at the diagram. All of you look at the diagram. You
Can
can
show
see
advantage of
the
the globe, ma'am?
imaginary line. You can see the imaginary line passing through the center of the earth. Okay, so this is an imaginary line and it is passing through the center of the earth and it is joining 2 points. What are the 2 points? What are the 2 points?
North Pole and South Pole.
North Pole and South Pole.
South Pole and North Pole.
Okay, so wait, children. Okay, axis is an imaginary line. And it is passing through the center of the earth. It is not a real one. It is just an imaginary line. Okay, it is an imaginary line. It is passing through the center of the earth and it is joining the 2 poles, North Pole and
South Pole.
South Pole.
Can you show the advantage of the globe?
Oh, yes, I'll show you.
North
Okay.
Pole and South Pole, ma'am.
Okay, we know that the earth is moving. The earth always move from west to east direction. The earth always move from west to east direction. Okay.
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
Felix, what's an axis?
Axis is the imaginary line passing through the center of the earth and joining the 2 points.
Okay, the imaginary line, axis is an imaginary line and which is passing through the center of the earth and it is joining the 2 poles.
Can you show advantage of the globe, ma'am?
Yes, I will show you.
Can you
I'm
show
explaining one of the
advantage
point. Okay, the next one. This is the axis of the earth. This is the axis of the earth. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We know that the axis of the earth is not vertical. The axis of the earth is not vertical, or it is not straight line. The axis of the earth is not straight. Yes or no? It is
Yes, ma'am.
tilted, or it is landing. It is tilted at an angle of 23.5 degree. Okay, the axis of the earth is not vertical, it is not straight line, it is tilted or it is landing at an angle of 23.5 degree. Then axis is connecting or it is joining the 2 poles. What are the poles?
Pole and South
North Pole and South
Pole and South Pole. You look at here, this one is North Pole and this one is South Pole. Yes or no? So the axis is an imaginary line and which is passing through the center of the earth and it is connecting North Pole and South Pole. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay. Now you look at the third point. It gives the ideas of the tilt. Did you understand what is tilt?
What, ma'am?
Did you understand what is the word meaning of tilt?
Yes, ma'am. It's landing.
Landing. Okay.
The earth rotates from west to east, right?
Yes, the earth always rotates from west to east direction. Okay. It gives the idea of the tilt of the earth axis. Then the last point, it shows us the exact position and areas of the continents and the oceans. So the globe is very useful to us because we can locate or we can find out the exact position of continents and oceans. Okay, we'll come back to this page again. Okay, you look at the slide. You can see the continents here. You can see some of the continents here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am. See Africa.
Yeah, we can
Yes,
see
ma'am.
Africa. So this is the exact shape of the
Africa.
Then you can see India here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
You can see Madagascar here. Madagascar. You can see Europe
Yeah.
here. So the globe is very useful for us to locate the places. At the same time, it is very helpful for us to understand the exact position of continents and oceans. So with the help of the globe, we can easily identify
Places.
places.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the advantages of the globe. Angelina Rose, please read
Yes,
these
ma'am.
points.
Which, ma'am?
What are the advantages of the globe?
It shows the exact shape of the earth.
Okay.
It helps us to understand how day and night
Occur.
and season are occurred.
Okay.
It gives the idea of tilt of the earth axis.
Okay.
It shows us the exact position and area of the continents
Continents.
and the ocean.
Oceans. Continents and the oceans. Okay. Joel, Justin, what is an axis? What is an axis? I can't hear you, dear. I can't hear you. Okay, Anushree?
An imaginary line passing through the center of the earth and joining the two poles.
Okay. Okay, next. We are going to discuss about what are the disadvantages of the globe. It is difficult to carry it anywhere. We know that the globe is very big. So it is not easy to carry. Example, we know that travelers, always they travel
And
from,
there's a small cube we can
Okay.
carry, right?
they are always traveling from place to place. So will they carry globe?
No, ma'am.
So why?
They will use
No,
map
ma'am.
because it's very difficult to carry.
Yeah, because it is
Heavy and big.
big in size and they are unable to carry. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, they have to carry like a baby. Wherever they go, they have to carry the globe.
Ma'am, so that's why they will carry map, ma'am.
Yes, at that time, yes. At that cases, they prefer map. So what is a map, Pooja?
Map.
What is a map? What is a map?
Ma'am, it's a flat pole.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, can I
Yes.
say?
Can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
Who is that?
Ananda.
Oh, yes, Ananda, tell me, dear. What is a map?
Ma'am, map is a flat drawing of a place.
Flat drawing of a place. Okay. Priya Maria?
Flat drawing of the places.
It can be a small
The globe.
earth spaces, right?
We can say map. Map is a representation of Earth on a flat surface. Representation of Earth on a flat surface. So we know that travelers always prefer to carry map because it is easy to carry. Understand? So they
Yes, ma'am.
never carry globe because
It is big.
It is heavy and big.
okay, it is difficult to carry it anywhere. Only a part of the globe can be seen at a time. Only, not party dear, it is a party, okay? Only a part of the globe
Okay,
can
ma'am.
be seen at a time. Again,
We can only see it.
okay. If you look at this globe, we can see only one portion of the earth.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
We know that there are 7
Yes, ma'am.
continents.
Ocean.
Yes,
Ma'am.
there are 7 continents. 1, 2, and 3 are shown in this side. What happened to the remaining?
Next side.
Next side.
There are
So,
the other side.
then what we have to do? We have to rotate
Spin.
the earth or we have to
Yeah,
spin the
globe,
globe. Then
ma'am.
only we can see the other side of the globe. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Only a part of the globe can be seen at a time. It cannot be used to study the specific part of the earth. It cannot be used to study the specific part of the earth. Example, if you want to study about India, can you study with the help of a globe?
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
We know there are different types of maps. Political maps are there, physical maps are there, thematic maps are there. Yes or no?
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
want to study
ma'am.
about a district or if you want to study about a particular country, we always check
On the map.
map. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the next point. It cannot be used to study the specific part of the earth. If you want to study about the geographical features, or if you want to study about the physical features of India, it is not possible to study with the help of a globe. So at that time, we always prefer, or we always choose map, because map will give detailed information than the globe. Okay, it does not show towns, cities, districts,
Ma'am, town,
roads,
cities,
railways,
districts
etc.
and roads, railways. Ma'am, it
What
will
you-
only show the state, right, ma'am?
Which one?
State and countries. It will only
Countries.
show
Yes. Globe mostly shows about important cities and capital also. It will not show about the districts. It will not show about the important places, or it will not show not important place. It will not show all the places. But if you refer a map, you can see almost all the places are mentioned in the
And
map.
their information.
Map.
Okay, so maps will give detailed information about a place, but the globe will not give. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam.
So these are the disadvantages of a globe. It is difficult to carry it anywhere. Only one part of the globe can be seen. It cannot be used to study the specific part of the earth. And it does not show towns, cities, districts, roads, railways, etc. So these are the main disadvantages of the globe. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, attendance.
Ma'am, attendance.
3.
Ah,
Ma'am,
yes.
attendance.
Oh, yes, yes.
Ma'am, attendance.
Ahil Samir? Abhimanyu? Aditi Ishwar?
Namova.
Okay,
Ma'am.
Aditi Ishwar present.
Ma'am, stop the recording.
Ananda Krishnan?
Person, ma'am.
Anina Viti?
Present, ma'am.
Angelina Rose?
Present, ma'am.
Angelina Relix?
Present, ma'am.
Present.